Welcome to Solflare Wallet versus ZelCore Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets can be found in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Solflare Wallet and ZelCore Wallet, focusing on their features, functionality, and target audiences to help you decide which one suits your crypto management needs better. Solflare Wallet is a dedicated wallet for the Solana blockchain, specifically designed for managing SOL tokens and interacting with Solana-based decentralized applications, dApps. It supports staking, allowing users to earn rewards directly within the wallet by delegating to a validator of their choice. Solflare also offers robust NFT support, making it a great option for NFT enthusiasts on the Solana network. With a user-friendly interface available on web, mobile, and as a browser extension, it caters to both beginners and advanced users. Security is enhanced with phishing protection, ledger hardware wallet integration, and multi-signature capabilities, making it a go-to wallet for anyone focused on the Solana ecosystem. ZelCore Wallet, on the other hand, is a multi-asset, multi-platform wallet designed for users who want to manage a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and many others. It supports advanced features like decentralized exchange, DEX access, portfolio management, and cross-platform compatibility, available on desktop and mobile. ZelCore's competitive edge lies in its integration with the Flux ecosystem, offering additional utility for miners, developers, and blockchain enthusiasts. With encrypted private keys stored locally and multi-layer security options, it ensures user safety while providing access to powerful tools for trading and blockchain interaction. If you're primarily involved in the Solana ecosystem and need a streamlined wallet for staking, NFTs, and Solana-specific dApps, Solflare Wallet is the better choice. However, if you're managing assets across multiple blockchains and require advanced features like DEX integration and portfolio management, ZelCore Wallet offers a more versatile solution. Both wallets deliver strong security and intuitive interfaces, but your decision should align with your specific crypto goals. Check out the links in the description to explore these wallets further.